So there was this annoying error that I've been facing on my device, and that is every time I try to download something that is larger than 500 600 MBs, the Google Play will automatically cancel it. And I tried looking it up on internet, but I couldn't find much help, so I decided to do some things on my own and I figured out the solution. I'll just share it with you. First of all, just start your device, and once that's done you can just go to settings, and after that search for apps. There we have to search for Google Play and basically everything related to it, Google Play services and the other option. Let's just go to Google Play and go to storage, and then we have to clear caches and the data. And once that is done, we'll have to do the same basically for everything that is related to Google Play. Okay, now same for this one. Okay, so once that is done, you will search for download manager. Some devices will have this in the list, but some will hide it, just like mine. For making it visible, you can just tap on this menu and then click on show system apps, and then search for download manager over there, and then do the same with this. So basically clear the caches and the data, and we'll also turn off the notifications for it. Okay, so now you can just try downloading your app again and hopefully it will work. Thank you.